Welcome in Perusal Technology, #1 web solution for your business. Let's start. Do you want to learn YouTube and earn money from it? How? Join us our YouTube Learning Plus Earning Training Program with Perusal experts. YouTube channel setup. Sign in to YouTube on a computer or the mobile site. Click your profile picture and then create a channel. You'll be asked to create a channel. Check the details, with your Google account name and photo, and confirm to create your channel. YouTube video title SEO. YouTube keyword research. Publish a high retention video. YouTube video optimization. Promote your video. Categorize your video. YouTube video descriptions best practices. Aim for 200+ words. Focus on first 2 to 3 sentences. Optimize your description for CTR. Repeat target keyword 2 to 3 times. Use related keywords. Use original content. Keep it conversational. YouTube video tags best practices. First tag is equal to target keyword. Use a mix of broad and focused tags. Don't go overboard with tags. Generate tags with tools. Use YouTube tags that are 2 to 3 words in length. YouTube video optimization. Video keyword research. YouTube video title. YouTube video description. YouTube tags. Engagement signals. Audience retention. Watch time. Channel keywords. YouTube hashtags. YouTube video ranking. Produce quality content. Keyword research. Video optimization. Length and quality of the video. Tags. Organic traffic. Use descriptive and keyword-rich titles. Have quality and keyword-rich descriptions. Optimize your thumbnail image. Create transcripts of your videos. Use cards and tags. Provide content that educates or entertains or both. Create video content that imitates your industry's best. Organic monetization on YouTube. Offer video editing services. Become an affiliate and review products. Get brands to sponsor you. Sell your branded merchandise. Sell online courses and other informational products. Start a paid membership program. Crowdfund your projects. Build a portfolio. We are a training, as well, service provider. Join us now. For more details, contact us. Thank you. See you soon.